Hi everyone, I'm Hiya Minesh Kumar Amin and I'm leading this project. Welcome to our project demo for BlogHive, an AI powered blog generator.
Hi everyone, I'm Shail Patel. I started by developing the backend and frontend, including user authentication, database design, and favorite system.
And I led the overall architecture, blog generational workflow, and UI design with animations and adjective logic. Let's get started.
So the core idea of BlogHive is to allow users to generate intelligent blog using content using AI. Users select keywords and related attributes, which are passed as a structured prompts to OpenAI's GPT-3.5 Turbo model.
What makes this unique is that all user activity is securely logged in a normalized MySQL database, which includes login credentials, selected interests, blog generation metadata, and user favorites, all mapped using foreign keys and join operations. We have used Flask, MySQL, Bootstrap, and JavaScript to build a fully responsive and secure full stack app.
So let's begin by showing our login and sign up pages. We use Tailwind CSS to keep the forms clean and modern. Behind the scenes, these actions trigger SQL insert and select queries on the user table for secure authentication. After login in, users are redirected to homepage. Here we fetch available keywords from the keywords table using a SQL select query and display them as buttons. Clicking on a keyword opens a modal which attributes are fetched from a related table using joins.
After selecting the adjectives, we click on Generate Blogs, which sends a post request to the Flask backend, where the server constructs a prompt like futuristic and spicy blog about technology. This is sent to OpenAI's GPT 3.5 API, and the response contains a title and a description. Here is the title, and this is the description.
We store this output in block generation log table. Using an insert query, it captures the user ID as foreign key, the generated content, and the selected adjective stored as a JSON object. This table helps us track what each user generated, when, and why. On the front end, we display the results using Bootstrap cards with a smooth fade in animation. So let's discuss the favorites feature. Each blog card includes a like button. Clicking it sends a post request to store the blog in the user favorite table. We perform an SQL insert while checking for duplicates using a conditional select. This ensures a user can't have the same blog multiple times.
The favorites page fetches all the saved blogs for the current user using a join between user and user favorites. If no entries exist, we show a friendly message encouraging exploration. The backend is a Flask application with RESTful APIs and routes. All these actions include login, blog generation, and saving favorites are backed by SQL queries that connect to a MySQL database via MySQL connector package.
One key table is blog generation log, while each entry captures like hobbies, traveling, music preference, chill and pop. So this was an example. This JSON column help us preserve user context while avoiding relational redundancy.
Our schema is a fully normalized 1 to the 3 NF form. The user keywords and adjectives are separate tables. User favorites and block generation log link via foreign keys, ensuring referential integrity. We use joins to retrieve related adjective sets per keyword and filter logs per user session.
So let's discuss our challenges. One of the biggest challenge was building a smooth UI for adjective selection while ensuring backend queries stayed performant.
We also ran into deployment issues like MySQL connection errors when moving from localhost to platforms like Render, and we are working on modifying env variables and retrying connections with fallback error handling.
We tested for edge cases such as duplicate favorites and empty selections to keep the experience user friendly.
In future iterations, we'd love to add OAuth login and multilingual block generation with text to speech. That's a tour of BlogHive, an AI powered platform with SQL and GPT that work together to create something unique and customizable.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this demo.